Magandang Lunes sa inyong lahat. March 22, 2021. Hindi po maganda ang start ng linggo natin dahil may mas mahigpit na health protocol sa Metro Manila at sa mga karatig na lugar. Kaya bumaba na naman ang ating PSE index. Pero doon po tayo sa good news, sa Moderna vaccines. Ito po ang inyong lingkod, Benji Chodoro. Ako po ay isang retired bank officer na nagsimula mag-invest sa stock market noong 2007. I do the stock market report every day na nagsimula ako ng August last year. I also report the latest news on your favorite and most active stocks. And if you like content, iniimbitahan ko po kayo na mag-subscribe sa aking channel. And if you have stocks in mind that you want me reviewed, please comment on the comment box and I will prioritize. I'll be sharing with you the news on the Moderna vaccines at ang resulta ng trading sa ating PSE ngayong araw, March 22, 2021, dito lamang sa The Stock Market Today. From the business world, Philippines inks deal for 20 million Moderna vaccine doses. Magandang balita to. The Philippine government and the private sector have sealed an agreement with Moderna Inc. for 20 million doses of its coronavirus vaccine, according to the Presidential Palace, making it the country's largest vaccine supply deal to date. The government secured 30 million doses of the Moderna vaccine, while the private firms led by International Container Terminal Services Inc. or ICTSI Chairman Enrique Rzon will get 7 million doses for their workers, Vaccine Czar Carlito Galvez said in a statement. We would like to thank Mr. Patrick Bergstedt and the whole Moderna team for keeping their commitment in providing 20 million doses of hope for 10 million Filipinos, Mr. Galvez, chief implementer of the country's pandemic plan, said. Mr. Galvez said the signing of the tripartite agreement boosts Manila's goal of having a steady vaccine supply this year. Naku, magandang balita ito pero hindi nag-react ng maganda ang ating stock market. So silipin po natin ang Philippine Stock Exchange Index. It fell 40.93 points, or that's 0.64% down. And if you'll take a look at our market summary, 172 companies declined, 53 advanced, while 33 remained unchanged. As for the sectoral indices, the all-share index fell 0.56%, while only the services gained, that's 0.75% or 10.52 points. The other sectoral indices were in the red, and the decliners was led by mining at 2.52%. Now let's take a look at the most active stocks. And actually, sinulat ko na to. We will be reviewing the following: Ali, DITO, TEL, SMPH, MBT, Converge, BDO, ACEN, PHA, and PGOLD. So let's now go to Ali. Ali had a 70 centavo decline to end at 33.80. The RSI is at 25.77 oversold. So maganda pong bumili ngayon ng Ali, no? Because based on the daily chart, it's the RSI is at 25. So ngayon, ang next resistance or ang next support level ni Ali, dahil ngayon ay nasa support level na siya. In fact, it appears to have broken support, and the next support level would be here at 32. Kasi yung support level niya nearest is 34.50. The next support level, if it will continue its downward trend, will be at 32. Then after Ali, DITO. DITO nag-decline din to. Merong green candlestick, but the closing price is lower than the previous day. So it opened at 935, ended at 980, kaya green candlestick to. But this is red because the closing price was lower than last Friday's closing price. So the RSI is at 35, which is also bearish. And since the closing price ended below our 20, 50, and 100-day moving averages, the sentiment is bearish. So the support, it is actually at support level as 8.66. And the next support level ay napakababa na. Nandito na siya sa 730. Yung next support level if it continues to move downwards. So the sentiment here is bearish. After DITO is TEL. Si TEL, meron siyang doji, but recovery to eh. It's a slight recovery, 25 points from 2019, no? That's 12.19, nag-close siya at 12.20. Okay, so it gained just 1 peso, but it is a green candlestick since it gained, so it gained 1 peso and it bounced in the support level. Actually, ito nga yung support level na sinasabi natin ng TEL because kasi merong, if you look to the left, there is a support level here and another here. So, nag-bounce siya sa support and hopefully sa the following days ay mag-recover itong si TEL. In the meantime, the resistance level that we are looking at would be at 1280, while the next support level, if it continues its downward trend, would be at 1135. So after TEL, let's take a look at SMPH. So another red candlestick for SMPH. Talagang masama yung sentiment natin today, no? The nearest support would be here at 3150. Actually, ito na yung, this is a support level actually. Itong level na 32 to 33 ang support level ni SMPH. So it's still a bearish sentiment, just like the other stocks. I think just 2 or 3 stocks ang nag-positive. So MBT is the next stock. It ended with a green candlestick, pero it's a red item here because the closing price is lower than the last Friday's closing price. So again, this is support level and looks like it's holding support. So 44.70. So hopefully we could see better days tomorrow. So sentiment is generally sideways to bearish, more on the bearish side. So after MBT converge, this is one bright spot. Okay, it continues to move upwards. Si converge gained 70 centavos or 3.83%. Actually, yung support level niya or the resistance level, this is the only resistance level that I can see, but this is a thin resistance level at 20. So, yung support level resistance level na kanyang na-break earlier would be the 1860 level. It's still moving up and it is bullish. The RSI is at 66, which is a bullish number. Then BDO. I think BDO moved up after bouncing in the 100 level. Tama, nag-open siya at 101 and nag-close siya at 103. So this is a bounce in the resistance level. So sabi nga natin nasa 100 yung resistance 100 to 101. So nag-bounce siya dito. And the next level that we are looking at, nearest actually, the nearest resistance, well, 100 actually is the support. So I keep interchanging support and resistance, but what I meant is that the 100 level is the support and the upper level will be the resistance at 110 to 113. After BDO, ACEN. Okay, ACEN continues to move sideways. It's a green candlestick, but it's a red result here. So it's just moving sideways with the RSI at 48. Then after SMPH, okay, PHA is bearish to sideways or sideways to bearish ang kanyang movement because the closing price is below the 20 and 50-day exponential moving averages, but above the 100-day EMA. So our support level, we would place it at the 100-day exponential moving average at 1.82. So it's bearish to sideways, more on the bearish side. Then finally, Pure Gold. Alam mo si Pure Gold, magandang stock ito. So it continues its upward trend and it breached the resistance level of 37 or 38 pesos. It's now at 38.70. Ito yung resistance level niya currently at 39.30. So nag-bounce off siya sa resistance dito. And if it continues its upward trend, ang next resistance level na nakikita ko would be at 40 to 41. Yan yung next resistance level. 40 to 41 ang next resistance level ni Pure Gold. Yan po ang ating report sa stock market, March 22, 2021. Alam nyo ba yesterday, it was the spring equinox. Ibig sabihin, equal ang day and night sa Northern Hemisphere. Sa Southern Hemisphere naman, yan yung autumn equinox. So, yung spring equinox sa Northern Hemisphere like Japan, Korea, US, Canada, halos equal po ang day and night at the spring equinox signals the start of spring and for Christians, no? For Catholics and Christians alike around the world, it determines the date of Easter, yung spring equinox. Ito po si Benji Chadoro, nagpapaalala, ang investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Maraming salamat sa inyong pagtangkilik. See you again in our next episode. Marami pong salamat. Bye for now.